I'm going to show you how you can easily sell food on Zomato from home. First, sign up on the Zomato platform as a seller by providing the necessary details such as your name, contact information, and business details. Create detailed listings for each item you plan to sell, including high-quality images and accurate descriptions. Then make sure to highlight the unique aspects of your food. Ensure you have the necessary documents, such as a PAN card, GST registration, FSSAI registration, and a current bank account. Zomato will contact you to verify your documents and GPS location. This step is crucial to ensure your business is legitimate. Once your business is listed, you can start receiving orders. Make sure to manage your orders efficiently and deliver food on time to maintain a good rating. Use social media and other marketing strategies to promote your home-based food business. Engage with customers and encourage them to leave positive reviews.